Hey guys, my name is Amanda. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the areas of my house that I am most proud of, as well as some teacher gift ideas and little hacks. So I hope that you enjoy. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so and also giving me a big thumbs up. Now grab a warm drink and let's get started. My favorite place in my living room is my fireplace. I have had that large picture for a couple of years. It is from Hobby Lobby. Also, these trees and the wreath that came together that are battery operated, they came from Lowe's. My Santa train came from Goodwill. And our elves like to bring things and put them in the cars of that train. So here is my fireplace. I also made that garland. I have a video where I made the garland. I can link that below. I also have a section where I have some red truck items. The red truck image on the wall is from Hobby Lobby. Now my coffee bar Grinch area. So I do keep my coffee maker on here on the corner, but I did remove it just for the video so you could get a better look at my Grinch items. This train is from Walmart and it actually has a lot more track, but we just used a little bit of track to make it fit on this coffee bar. Now, a lot of these items, almost all of the ones that you see, are from Hobby Lobby. I made the fabric garland and also the little sparkly shape garland. Those are little sparkly foam shapes from Dollar Tree that I strung together. This Grinch wreath, the felt one hanging over my wine rack, is also from Hobby Lobby. And next, I made this church last year with Dollar Tree items. And again, I will try to link all of the videos down below where I mentioned DIYs that I have created. And here is my collection of, I don't even really know what you would call this style, I guess rustic. I've actually had these for about 8 or 9 years, although I do believe I got most of these items from Hobby Lobby. The stockings, I believe I got at a craft booth. And I think they are so pretty. They'd be easy to make if you had a jigsaw, as they are made of wood. Now I get to show off my gingerbread collection. I've been collecting them for a couple years. Most of them are from Hobby Lobby, although the tall two gingers in the back are from Dollar Tree in the $5 section. And the one little guy in the middle is from Dollar Tree in the $5 section last year. The ginger on either side is from Hobby Lobby, as well as most of these little decorative items, these cute little gingerbread and these little standing ones. The little red house that you see here and a couple of the other little things on the tiered tray are from Walmart, but these little statues with the glitter are from Hobby Lobby as well. So most of these items are Hobby Lobby. I think Hobby Lobby has the most adorable little gingerbread things. I have a few more items, but I'm running out of space in this particular area. And so here is another little area that I really love with some trees that I made and some DIYs and my little red truck. I absolutely love it, as well as a couple of Santas. This shelf I decorate for every season. I got it at a yard sale. It was brown and I painted it white, and I like to change up the little decorations. As you see, there is 3 stockings on there. Those are for my 3 dogs. And I purchased these stockings at Hobby Lobby after Christmas clearance last year. As you can tell, I love red trucks. I have 3 large trees in my living room, and one of them is dedicated to red trucks. Most of the items used to decorate this tree are from Hobby Lobby. I always purchase my items at Hobby Lobby at least 50% off, if not in the after clearance Christmas sale. I apologize for the poor lighting in parts of this video. My house really does not get very good lighting, and I am trying my best to show you. But here is my other 2 large trees in my living room. I have a black and white buffalo check tree. All of these items are from Hobby Lobby. I got them after Christmas last year. My candy tree, again, is mostly Hobby Lobby ornaments I've been collecting the last couple of years. This is the largest tree in my living room, and I'm sorry I don't have better footage of it. My dogs go a little crazy and jump on me when I'm trying to film, but here is what that looks like. Okay, so I recently posted a couple of gift idea videos. These are baskets, and they have tons of different ideas for pretty much everyone in the family. I'm going to link these two videos below, but I wanted to share just a few more ideas, and these are more for teachers or coworkers or someone that you don't want to give a whole basket to, but you know would appreciate a little something. So I also wanted to show you guys that if you don't have time to bake a bunch of cookies and homemade goodies, don't be ashamed. You can go to the store and get some pre-made stuff that is super cute and make a tray, and it's a gorgeous gift, and I think that people appreciate it even if it's not homemade. Take some of the pressure off yourself. Of course, wash your hands really well or wear gloves, but I gave this to a neighbor that just moved in and they really seem to appreciate it. You can find these cookies at pretty much any grocery store, so super easy. I covered my tray in a plastic gift bag from Dollar Tree. Okay, so for our next idea, I'm going to share with you what I made for my son's work. I made a bunch of individual gifts that he can take and pass out to all the employees. So I found these adorable coffee mugs at Dollar General. You can see they have super cute little sayings on the front, and there's several different ones, red and green, to choose from. I love that they come two to a pack, and I just think that they are so cute. So I'm going to be making 8 of these, and I am going to need some foam. I got this from Dollar Tree, and also balloon sticks from Dollar Tree that I can cut down easily, or you could use wooden dowels. I grabbed some candy from Dollar General, but you can grab candy from the grocery store or even Dollar Tree. I grabbed Kit Kat, Hershey's, Reese's, and I even found these Dunkin' chocolates from the Dollar Tree, which is perfect because my son works at Dunkin' Donuts. I also found some Kit Kats, and I thought these were very affordable. I'm sorry, I can't remember the exact price, but I'm sure you can also find sales at your local grocery store. So what I'm going to do is put some foam in each cup and use some glue dots to secure each cup to the lid. Then I'm going to take each candy and tape it to a piece of the balloon stick. As I said, I cut them down in various lengths so that my candies can stand at various heights inside of my cup. So I'm just going to continue to use clear tape to tape all the candies onto the balloon sticks and then just arrange them how I want them. Once that is done, I'm going to come in with some decorative shred and just fill in the empty gaps. So an idea for you, if you need to transport several of these and you want it to look quite impressive, I grabbed a basket from the thrift store that I've used several different times. It always comes in so handy. I filled it with tissue paper and shred, and I arranged these cups in there, and then they look impressive and I can transport them and everyone can just choose one. Next is an idea that I actually have shared in the past, but it is perfect for the theme of this video because it's a perfect gift for a teacher or a coworker, and it is a sweet, which is kind of the theme of these gifts. So you grab these Rolos from any grocery store. They have a recipe on the back. I'm just replacing the nut with an M&M because a lot of people have peanut allergies. I greased some aluminum foil that I placed on a oven-safe pan, and my son laid out some pretzels. There's a bunch of different pretzels to choose from. You can choose different shapes. My son then placed a Rolo on top of each pretzel. We are going to bake this in our oven for 3 minutes at 350 degrees. Once you pull it out, your chocolates will be kind of melty, which is exactly what you want. And then you can place your nut or your red and green M&M like I did in the middle of each candy. So to package these up, I found this packaging at Walmart for just over $2. It includes 6 loaf trays and the plastic bag to go over it, as well as some string and a tag. It is so cute. You could double the batch or even triple it to make more candies. And here's what this looks like, a perfect little gift. Okay, now for my next idea, I'm going to jump into that, but I wanted to show you real quick, and I have shown this before, but Dollar Tree has such an impressive selection of gift bags and containers, as well as gift boxes and little plastic containers. So any of the ideas I am sharing with you today can be used in any of these awesome little plastic containers. Definitely keep that in mind. My next idea is inspired by whiskey and wit. I'm going to grab a couple of these trays from the Dollar Tree, this red candy, and this green tree. They also do have a blue snowflake. I am going to take this cotton candy from Dollar Tree, comes through to a pack, as well as some Rudolph gummies and some Frosty gummies. They also have this chocolate Frosty. I have seen a chocolate Santa, but not on this particular day, as well as these strawberry candies. I've always loved these. These are so delicious, and you really get a lot for $1.25. I'm making 5 of these trays total. My younger twins turned 10 on Christmas Day, so we celebrated their birthday on Saturday. So I use these as party favors with some decorative shred. Here is what the cotton candy looks like. So cute and such a great deal. So I'm going to add shred to each one of these little trays and then place down my larger candies. I did some gummies and some chocolate. I added in some cotton candy as well as some chocolate pieces and those little strawberry candies. So to 2 of these for my birthday boys, I added in a gift card so that they could go shopping. So this is such a fun idea and way to give a gift card. So Whitney from Whiskey and Wet, she used the clear cellophane wrap from the Dollar Tree to cover hers. I didn't have any on hand, so I just used plastic wrap, and it actually worked really well. Just place it over the top and it holds everything inside. I didn't show that on camera because it doesn't look very good on camera, but here is the idea for you. So now let's move into the next one. I made these for my son's teacher. I grabbed some of these gift boxes from Dollar Tree, placed the bottom on the bottom using some glue dots, and then using some glue dots, you could place your styrofoam on the inside. You could also use some hot glue. I then placed some full-size candy bars that I got from Dollar General on the back of some dowel rods using tape like I did in the other DIY, added them to the box, and just added some shred in. And this is how easy that is. You could add as few or as many chocolates as you want. You could tuck a little gift card down inside of the box, or even put a gift card on the dowel rod. So I hope you like that idea. Now I just wanted to share a super fun and easy gift, or if you're in the market or looking for something. My dad actually brought this to me and I thought it was so adorable. It is this little Santa stack that has goodies in it, and I just showed you the little tag that shows each goodie that is in this, but I absolutely love it. It is so cute. You can purchase it at Walmart for $19.99. He also brought this Hillshire Farm tray that he found at Walmart, and this is so fun. My kids love to snack on stuff like that, so if you need something easy and quick one day during the holidays, this is such a fun thing to grab and make a little charcuterie board. I think all kids, and I mean I am not a kid, but I absolutely love charcuterie boards, so such a fun idea for you. You could also just go to your local grocery store and buy these items and slice them up and put them on a board. A super easy dinner. So I hope that you enjoyed this mini tour and gift video. I had planned to bring you another Christmas DIY video, but life got really crazy, as it does sometimes with 6 kids, and I kind of ran out of time, so I do apologize for that, but I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. Also giving me a big thumbs up really helps me out here on YouTube. Take care, friends. I will see you soon.